I have a couple of special guests coming up. They are two of my close girlfriends who I think are probably some of the most talented singers in LA and maybe the world. They're gonna come sing a Joni Mitchell cover with me, and so please welcome Zella Day and Weyes Blood.
I slept last night in a good hotel. I've been shopping today for jewels. The wind rushed around in the dirty town, and the children let out from the school. Standing on a noisy corner, waiting for the walking green. Across the street he stood, and he played real good on his clarinet for free.
I play for fortune in those velvet curtain calls. I've got a black limousine and two gentlemen who escort me through back home. But I'll play if you've got the money, or if you're a friend to me. The one-man band by the quick lunch stand, he'll be playing real good for free.
Stopped to hear him, though he played so sweet and high. They knew he had never been on their TV, so they passed his music by. To go over and ask for a song, maybe put on a harmony. I heard his refrain as the signal changed. He was playing real good